Have you ever pondered how CAPA aids in ensuring pharmaceutical compliance within quality assurance practices? Learn how PharmaMax's CAPA Global can assist you in the effective implementation of the Corrective and Preventive Action, or CAPA, process in pharmaceuticals. Today we're diving deep into a critical process that ensures the highest standards of quality and compliance in the pharmaceutical industry, Corrective and Preventive Action, or CAPA. CAPA is a systematic approach used in the pharmaceutical industry to identify, address, and prevent quality issues and non-conformances. Let's break down the CAPA process step by step to understand how it maintains compliance and safeguards public health. Step 1. Issue identification and reporting. It all starts with the detection of a problem. Issues can be spotted through internal audits, external inspections, customer complaints, or quality control tests. Once an issue is identified, it's documented in detail. This initial assessment helps gauge the severity and potential impact on product quality and patient safety. Step 2. Immediate action. Immediate corrective measures are taken to contain the issue and prevent further impact. This might involve halting production, quarantining affected products, or even recalling products. Relevant stakeholders and regulatory bodies are notified if necessary. Step 3. Investigation and root cause analysis. A cross-functional team is assembled to investigate the issue. They collect all relevant data and evidence and use structured problem-solving tools like fishbone diagrams, 5 whys, and failure mode and effects analysis to identify the root cause of the problem. Step 4. Action plan development. Once the root cause is identified, a detailed action plan is developed. This includes both corrective actions to address the immediate issue and preventive actions to avoid future occurrences. The plan is reviewed and approved by relevant authorities. Step 5. Implementation. The approved action plan is then executed. Necessary resources, such as personnel, equipment, and materials, are allocated to ensure effective implementation. Step 6. Verification and effectiveness check. After implementation, it's crucial to verify that the actions have been carried out correctly. Continuous monitoring ensures the effectiveness of these actions, and any gaps are identified and addressed. Step 7. Documentation and reporting. Comprehensive records of the entire CAPA process are maintained. These documents are crucial for regulatory inspections and audits, ensuring traceability and accountability. Step 8. Review and closure. A final review is conducted to ensure all actions are complete and effective. The CAPA process is then formally closed and all learnings are documented. Step 9. Continuous improvement. CAPA is not just about resolving issues, it's about continuous improvement. Trend analysis helps identify recurring issues and areas for optimization. Lessons learned are shared through training sessions, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. How CAPA ensures compliance. CAPA ensures a systematic and methodical approach to quality management. By addressing root causes, maintaining comprehensive documentation, and fostering continuous improvement, CAPA helps pharmaceutical companies meet stringent regulatory requirements and ensure product quality and safety. Discover deeper insights into Solutions Max and our commitment to tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your comprehensive platform for streamlined management of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Achieve efficiency and peace of mind with our integrated ecosystem designed specifically for your requirements. Visit pharmamax.org for detailed information. Still unsure? Need additional assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts specializes in regulatory strategies for manufacturing review and submissions. Thank you for your attention. In pharmaceuticals, excellence is not just an act, but a habit. Stay informed and stay safe. Until next time. For more details, visit pharmamax.org or email us contact@solutionsmax.com for a prompt response. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the pharmaceutical industry. Together, let's ensure a safer and healthier world through quality and compliance.